Good afternoon. Happy July 10th. What a beautiful day. I needed that sun to hit me. What's mentally draining is, before I even traded, my conscience said, don't. My strategy works. Everything works because the technicals were on point. Muy bien. Muy bien. ¿Qué pasa, Carlos? Oh, by the way, check this out. I bought Jenga for the mentorship students for August. And I was looking for Uno, but It's the one that looks like a swirl. Good afternoon. Happy July 10th, episode 10 of the vlog. So I took some trades in the morning, and you know what's funny? Before I went to bed, usually when I do well, I take a few days off. I take a week off from trading, right? Same if I do bad. I take a few days off. So before I even started trading, I was hesitant. I'm like, you wouldn't do any of this right now. But I'm like, no, I'm recording the vlog. Whatever the case is, excuse, it's an excuse. Regardless of the fact, what I'm telling you is an excuse. So not a good day. My God, not a good day. Did I give back some serious profits? Serious profits. Really got hit hard. Went in, out, way over traded. All in my bed to the phone. And yeah, we're going to talk about it later. I'm just going to go breathe a little bit, eat some breakfast, take a walk on the resort here. And, well, let's walk and talk together, right? Let's walk. We're going to talk about what happened, but it's just not good. It's just not good. What a beautiful day. I needed that sun to hit me. And you know what's interesting? Every excuse under the sun I can say, but none of that matters. The technicals were good. Everything was good. Market was sideways. I knew I should have stayed out. I shouldn't have touched it. But multiple things. This vlog, number one. Number two, the consistency rule. I have to make a certain amount. Number three, I just wanted to. So that's the interesting thing, right? Good morning, madam. Let's see what she got cooking over there. Let's see. But it's a beautiful day. Let me show you, as always. Every day in the wind. I know you can't feel it, or maybe you can't even hear it, but it's absolutely lovely. Let's see what the madam has going on. Good morning, madam. How you doing?
Making juice.
Okay. Can I get breakfast, please? Thank you. How good of a run do you go on trading, and then how often do you give it back? And the interesting part is this naturally, and I've been smelling like coffee, and I hate the smell of coffee. But what are you going to do? All right, that one's going to be difficult. I'll take one, I guess. I'll take one. But like I was saying, I'm going to live trade per usual. I'm going to live trade. But I'm going to take a breather, have some breakfast, and then do it. But like I told you, the technicals were good. All of that stuff was good. It's the same battle every single one of us go through. I haven't had a red day. Even though we have a couple of hours before the market closes, could I recover? Probably could. But let's see. What's mentally draining is, before I even traded, my conscience said, don't. That's the crazy part. Before I even traded, my conscience told me not to. And that's the part. Nothing I did was wrong in the fact that the technicals were on point. I was hitting sell, smoky. Is it going to stay? I think it's so windy. I don't know, man. Let me try another area. But back to what I was saying. No matter how much we try, it happens. As I say, it's part of the game. But I knew for a fact that this is the issue, right? I have to do this recording business. You don't have to. When you could just listen to your conscience when your conscience says that's what you should listen to. I believe your conscience is like the voice of God. Like your conscience is God telling you not to do good and bad. For example, your conscience is the one that says don't drink, don't smoke, don't do stupidity, don't do this, don't do that. When you're about to do something dumb, it says don't do it. And when you don't listen to it, bad stuff happens. All right, now it's stronger. Boom. Let me show you what it looks like. Boom. Even when I was down a little bit, I was like, all right, we're good. Walk away. And I'm like, no, I have to make more. I got this consistency rule thing. And I'm like, don't. Because I was up. And then chip, 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 chip. Then I was up. Chip, chip, chip. You know what's upsetting or frustrating? Not that I lost. Is the fact that I knew not to take that trade. I knew before I even touched the Z Fold, my phone, my conscience was like, no trades today. Then I was arguing with my conscience. I was like, okay, let's lower position size and do it. Lower position size made money. And realistically, I would take, if I wasn't filming the vlog, if I didn't have the prop firm stuff, I would take a break, few days. Today's Wednesday, I think. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Take off, start up again Sunday, Monday. In all realistically, that's what I would have done. Let's see how we'll play it, because I will still live trade for you guys. We'll do it. I haven't worked out in a few days. I don't know why. Come on, let's do a little workout. Madam, how much time do you need?
2 minutes.
Okay. We'll just do some jump rope, if anything. We'll just do some jump rope. When you're not in the mood to work out, that's when you should work out. Guys, I'm coming out right now. I know you were watching an episode or lesson, but I just want to let you know, free trading course, daytradeprofessor.com. You're broke, you got no money, you got nothing, but you just want to start it off? Day Trade Professor. Click down below, go in the description and start the free course. It'll help you get along the way. See you in the next one. Let's go. Let's get the weights then. I just need to get some vitamin D. That'll make me feel better. That'll make me feel better. Sacre bleu. Trying to do two things. No, I can't do it. All right, hold on. Let's talk about what happened, right? I lost count on how many trades I took. We'll go back and look at the chart, but maybe more than 20. Unnecessary. And by the way, they weren't copy trades. They were just regular trades. But I lost count of how many lifts I did. But at the end of the day, what am I rushing for? I have tomorrow. I still have tomorrow to trade. And I have the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. You know, I know my strategy works. Everything works because the technicals are on point. Should I have hit sell a little faster? Or maybe my entries weren't the best? A mix of two things. A mix of two things. Noticing that the market was sideways for a while and extremely volatile. It's not even the question of you live and you learn. I've been doing this for a very long time, ladies and gentlemen. I've been doing this, more sun. I've been doing this for a very long time. So best believe it ain't you live and you learn. I've lived. I've learned. When something goes wrong, you breathe, relax, and try again. And you try again. And you try again. All right? So I'll see you at breakfast. Let's go. All right. Breakfast is served. The madam bought ingredients to make croissants. I told her that's my favorite thing in the whole world. Croissants. Like, you can't enjoy eggs without croissants. I guess breakfast is good. But I need croissants or sourdough bread. This should be 100 times better with it. You know, there's a quote in Batman where Bruce Wayne and Alfred are having a conversation. Why do we fall, Master Wayne? So we can learn to get back up. And I fell today. And we get back up. when you lose or have a bad day, it's not the end all be all. Just remember that. It could be multiple reasons. And I've already told you. I should have listened to my conscience, shouldn't have traded. And then I did the right thing. I traded, but lower position size. And I did well. And then I got greedy. This is nothing. I need to make more. And now I'm paying for that outcome. What's worse is that I was up nicely for the day. Since last night, I didn't have to do more. One thing for you to learn from this. Yep, you bit me right here. It's not the end all be all. Take a few days and come back. Or lower your position size and build your confidence back up. I just need a little breather, a little rest, away from the charts. Put my phone away. You see no phones around me right now. No computer, nothing. But then after this, drink some watermelon juice. Go back, look at the higher time frames, narrow in, then look at multiple time frames, and then lock in. We're still green for the month so far. So, hey, we'll trade after I have breakfast and my watermelon. What makes the losing even better? Or not that bad, I'm in paradise. That's a damn good breakfast. That's a good woman in there. You know, ladies, if you're watching this, it's not really that hard to please a man. Even though she works for me, she's my assistant, right? She gets paid and stuff. It's not hard to cook for a man, to take care of his wants and needs, whatever he needs. And you do it well enough, he'll want you around and be nice and warm. The second I light it up, the wind picks up. I'm a very simple guy. Very simple. Like I said, even though she works for me, she wanted to go out dancing the other day. I said, okay, fine. Did I want to? Hell no. Hell no. But she does good. She does a good job on everything she does. And the best thing about her, she don't talk back. She don't argue. She don't raise her voice. She doesn't yell. None of the above. That's the best thing. Like, I could keep her around for years and work. She actually asked me months ago. She'll be my personal assistant where she lives in the house. Like you saw my other one, Mendoza. When she was living there. When she found out about that, she goes, why didn't you ask me? I said, I didn't know. I didn't know you would give up your life and come. She goes, you should have asked. I said, I didn't think of it. I didn't think of it. It's not easy for someone to just drop everything and come live in my house. Take care of my wants and needs completely. Who are you on the phone with, son?
My friend.
Okay. Thank you.
Look.
Can I also get my supplements, please?
Yeah, was it hot enough this thing?
Yeah, it was perfect.
Yeah?
What did you do?
I just served you right away.
That's the way to do it. It was actually, today was perfect.
It's better if you're just sitting here, so I'll let you know.
100%. 100%. Thank you. The second I get up, I'm going to tell them about the AC. Thank you. You know I've been on top of the AC thing. I fixed your internet fast. I got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hola. ¿Cómo estás, Carlos? Madam, come look. Carlos is the man. Mucho coco. Muy bien.
Hola.
Muy bien. ¿Qué pasa, Carlos?
¿Cómo está?
Yeah, you see that? Coconut in a crate. I don't know what this is called. Wheelbarrow. Coconut in a wheelbarrow. Mentorship students, if you're watching this, August students, I got you. Goran, I got you. We're good. A wheelbarrow of coconut.
I know, I love this. This makes me so happy.
You don't like Thailand, I got you.
That's a lot of coconut.
Yeah, we're constantly. All right, let me finish drinking this, and then let's get back to the charts.
Tequila?
No tequila.
I'm gonna deliver tequila.
I know, that's what he asked me. He goes, Carlos goes to me, when I was drinking the coconut, he goes, oh, with tequila? I said, bro, I don't drink. I said, me Musulman. Musulman, no alcohol.
Inject the coconuts with it.
That's not funny. No poisons here. But all right, listen. Let me finish this. I'll see you. I want to jump in the hammock, but look who's on it. The madam is on the hammock right now. How you liking it?
I'm just reading.
I owe you a live trading video. I didn't make one, but I'll make one at market opens. I wanted to take a mental rest of that, so I'll break it down for you after. I give you my word. So market opens at 6 p.m., and then I'll give you a live trade video on that. Until then, Carlos is about to fix the hammock and get me another one. So he's going to move that over here because it's super comfortable. I'm interrupting your lesson right now to let you know, if you don't know, you want to get consistent. Well, listen, I wrote 3 books. I got one of them on me right now. How to just hit sell, consistently trading, how to be a consistent trader, and the Consistent Trader Journal Checklist. Everything you need, I've covered it already. Why are you wasting your time searching this, that, the third? You're already watching me right now. Might as well get the book. Click down in the description, get them, and go on your way of what? Consistency. See you in class. Let's go. Until then, we'll sit here and read. Same book, Propaganda, like I was telling you. You are being influenced by a million outside sources. Every time you watch a commercial, being influenced. You ever notice why when you sign up for Netflix, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, HBO Max, Hulu, and whatever else is out there, that's all I know, Paramount, Peacock, and yeah, when you sign up for them, they have cheaper options, right? And the cheapest one has what? Lots of commercials. Commercials are a form of what? Propaganda, if you think about it, right? They're trying to influence you to either buy something or switch your mindset into something. So for me, I have those, and when I watch them, I always pay the most because I don't want to be influenced by ads. For example, my YouTube is YouTube Premium. Those YouTube ads, I can't do it. That's a form of programming. When you're watching a show, a specific thing that is not the best, it's programming. Like those of you that are into that reality TV nonsense, programming. It's all programming you, and you're like, no, it's not. Believe it or not, subconsciously, you're being influenced. So I'm going to read a little bit, and then we will talk about this chapter even more. You can see Carlos setting up the hammock. So cool. I read a little further into Propaganda, a few pieces, and then I'll read a quote that was pretty powerful. So it talks about Edward Bernays and how the word propaganda is seen as a negative word, right? Like a dirty thing. And Bernays goes, and this quote I like, so I'm going to read this to you. He goes, "We are governed, our minds are molded, our tastes formed, our ideas suggested, largely by men we have never heard of. These invisible governors are a heroic elite." So this is fascinating, right? For example, we are governed, government, our minds are molded, shaped, our tastes formed to what we like, our ideas suggested, commercials, TV shows, movies, largely by men we have never heard of. Behind the scenes, for example, if you notice, and I can't talk freely because I'll get in trouble, in Hollywood, you notice the movies, you can watch movies from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, early 2000s, pretty good. Like early 90s and late 80s movies, I think are the best. But almost every movie that comes out now has a hidden agenda, and I can't talk about it. I'm going to get in trouble. I know you know what I'm talking about. They're shoving things, degeneracy in your face. They're shoving certain ideologies in your face to normalize it, to destroy society. That's how they do it. So where is this coming from? You watch some of these things and you're going, wait a second. Why is every movie, every scene have this weird stuff in it? Like, I don't want to see this. A very small population is this group, but they should put it in every movie. You see what I'm saying? TV shows. And it ruins the whole experience because they're trying to affect you mentally by people you've never seen, people you've never heard of. They have hidden agendas behind the scenes to control you. And the interesting is, once you learn to see that hidden agenda, it doesn't affect you. Where I'll watch something and I'm like, oh, I see them, what they're trying to do. I see how they're trying to influence me. Oh, I see what they're doing. It becomes so obvious when you know that it's all a form of programming. Every single piece of everything is programming. For example, there's been so many leaks by world governments that a lot of the social media is bots are behind it, right? For example, a lot of comments that go viral, bots, they can influence you. And so I can tell stories, but I can't because I'm going to get in trouble. This is being posted on YouTube. So I'm going to get in trouble. So I really can't talk freely. I've already gotten in trouble in almost every social media platform. I'm not trying to get in trouble. So point being, that's what this is saying so far in the book. All right. I'm going to continue writing on this hammock and reading. You can see what that view looks like. To the right, to the left. Boom. I'll see you in the next one. We are live. What's up, everybody? All right, we're trading futures after hours. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. We're going in for a long right now. I like that it closed above my level of support. We're going long, 4 contracts, very light. NQ. We are bullish on every single time frame. I owe you guys a video, so I'm giving you a video from earlier. And after this, I'll do my journal breakdown. There's that push up. We're just going to get a few points out of this trade. I like that. Continuation, clean XYZ staircase pattern, page 100. If you notice, it's a very gentle, slow mover. That's how it is when you trade sometimes 6 p.m. futures market. Sometimes, it's just, you got to deal with the slowness. That's just how it is. I'm just following the momentum to the upside. Everything is bullish. Everything is moving up. Take profit is 23,038. I got my trading view charts here for my mentorship students, and for you guys is the trade of 8 in the center right here. Right here. No copy trading here, just 4 contracts NQ. 4 points away from take profit, which is a fast move, and we are done with this trade. Again, you can trade, but just, be wary that this is how it moves sometimes. Sometimes it moves faster. Sometimes it moves faster. And sometimes it moves like this. Just lower your position side, get in and out quick. I already took a trade on this prior to jumping on this live recording. I already took one. Holding nice above that support at 23,032.50. As long as we stay above 23,032, I'm fine. Once we get below 23,032, I'm out this trade. All right, there it is. Close below. Not good. All right, we're getting out this trade. And as you can see on trade of 8, I'm already up 1,500 on the day, but I guess we're taking a loss on this one. Let's see. Hold on. Nope, no holding on. Oh, what the freak? What just happened here? Oh, my God. I just added to the position. Sacre bleu. Ooh. Thank you, God. I'm so used to going short, I hit the other button. Oh, my God. It's about to be in our favor. We're just 1 point from take profit. To break even. That was funny. Look at my hesitation, right? I was just in the profit right there, and I still couldn't hit sell. To tell you, we all battle this. Look at that. I was just in the profit, came out the hole in the red, and I still wouldn't do it. I battled this too. Today was a red day for me. I'm out. I'll take it. I'll take it. $100 loss. It was 300 something. I'll take it. All right. We're not going to take more than one. We're not going to take that trade. The volume isn't there, and I'm doing this recording for vlog number episode 10 because I gave you my word. I didn't do it earlier. So let's look at the P&L breakdown. Let's go. All right, mentorship students, I hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you guys. All right, ended that recording. Let's pause this and I'll come back. All right, guys, as you see next to me is my P&L breakdown for the day and the month, the overall. Unfortunately, not a good day. I'm very disappointed in myself. And let's talk about it. So as you can see, I am down. Red day today, negative 4,500 for the day. 20 trades, unfortunately. And here's some of the breakdown, right? As you can see, a lot of battles here. Way overtraded. But again, we're still green for the month so far. We're still green for the week so far. But this could have been avoided. As I said earlier, I'm very disappointed in myself, extremely disappointed in myself. Let's look at here you go. Started off 1,000, 2,500, 3,000. I was up 3.3K, went negative, went positive, and then went all the way down to negative 6,800, and then slowly got some back. 20 trades, profit factor not so good. I spoke about this earlier. I'm not happy at all about today. It could have been avoided. This could have been completely avoided if I listened to my conscience and I said walk away, because I was in the very much nice green. I was very happy with it, but that's what it is. Let's see if this trades later in the day I'll take, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm interrupting your class right now to let you know, and I know you know, if you've used my free course, you use my books, I got 3 of them, and it's still not enough and you feel like you want more, well, guess what? I got a mentorship program happening in New York in my classroom, small amount of students in a lecture hall setting where I go through precision what you need to do what? Buy and sell strategically. And if you don't want to come to New York, I yearly have international trips. You can join those. Get a mentor, get everything figured out. I got a secret Instagram where I talk about deeper things that I don't talk publicly. I'll see you in my class. Let's go. So this is the new routine. All mosquitoes, I see you. I knew that wasn't going to work. The mosquitoes are coming. I hope that works. It's too windy, man. Quote, we didn't read this. We didn't read this, so let's go. Ooh, this is good, this is good, this is good. It's one of my favorite quotes. Everyone will have to answer 5 questions on the day of judgment. Basically, the day of resurrection, the end times when Prophet Jesus, peace be upon him, comes back. When Jesus comes back and, fights the Antichrist. Number 1, how did you lead your life? That's the first question you'll be asked. How did you lead your life? For me, my answer would be, I helped people through their financial difficulties and was there to support them. Number 2, how far did you act on the religious knowledge that you gained? Well, as a Muslim, I do read the Quran after my lives. I read it regularly. I read religious texts. I'm reading these on my YouTube channel right now. I tell people to give up degeneracy. Basically, don't drink, don't smoke, don't get tattoos. It's chemicals in the skin and body, damages your organs long term. Be good to your mom, give money to your mom. So 2 for 2, baby. We're looking good. I'm trying to get to heaven. This whole life is temporary. Literally, all this is temporary. Number 3, how did you earn your wealth? I traded stocks. I sell books. I sell mentorships. I teach people. Boom. How did you spend your wealth? I spend it on, there's stuff I do, but that I spend it on traveling. I give it to my parents, got the maid service, bought my father a car, give my mom money, give my grandma money. I do other stuff that I don't show or talk about. The stuff I do behind the scenes for charity. Nobody's business. I don't post it, nor do I care about it. But you saw some of it, right? Like when I bought snacks for the door guy. And then the other day when we went out, I think yesterday, I bought stuff for 2 little poor boys in the street that were selling goods, like stuff like that. I do other stuff too, but I'm not talking about it here. I got like an award. I got awarded, I think a year or 2 ago, I can't remember, Humanitarian of the Year. But I'm not gonna, post it. Someone will be like, post is not real. That's fine. Then it's not real. Then it's not near. I'm not here to convince you that I do anything is real. So I'll just say it's not real. None of this is real. Believe whatever you want to believe. And number 5 is, thank you, madam. So, wait, quinoa's in here?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got, ladies and gentlemen, steak pasta, quinoa, the noodles. Habanero's in there?
You want this? Yes.
Is the avocado in there?
Oh, you want avocado?
Yes, please. Always. Now we're back to New York. This is what I eat in New York. This is what I eat in New York. Yeah. You know what the thing is? She does. I don't know if it's instinctively or whatever you want to call it. She got me on portion control. In New York, my other assistant, She fed me up a storm. Like, fed me up a storm. Like, I would eat so much and my stomach would hurt because I ate so much. Her, complete portion control. There's barely any food. But it's not, I'm not complaining. Fire, madam. Fire. The only thing missing is, when are you eating the cheese?
You want cheese too?
Yeah.
On top of
Next
that?
time.
Okay.
Isn't that what people do? Cheese and pasta?
No.
No? Okay.
But I can.
Next time. Let me finish. Number 5. How was I busy with my life? Teaching people. Sitting, reading books. Not getting involved in drama, hate. I love being isolated. Boys, I'm going to talk to you for a second, boys. Some of you want a specific girl on Instagram or Snapchat or whatever. And you're like, God, I really want her. If I got her, I'll treat her so good. God won't give her you that. And you'll be like, why can't I get any of them? Maybe that's not for you. Well done, madam. Well done. The coconut was good? Coconut water was good?
Yeah.
Thank you. The person you want that's not in your life, maybe will come and mess your life up. And God's not giving you that for a reason. Tomorrow we're going to go play Jummah prayer, Friday prayers. At the mosque, I'll show you around and everything. No matter what happens, try to be a good person. You know, you might not be the best person in whatever you do, charity, I don't know. But having good character is going to get you to the highest rank of heaven. Stop others from talking negatively about other people. Like, things of that nature is good character. I'm telling you, it is not that hard to be blessed. You just start with good character. You know, when I'm around people, I tell them not to do certain things. You know what they say? Okay, dad. Stop, dad. You're being a dad. And I'm like, what's wrong with... I've been called a dad since I was 16. I'm not a dad. I'm just saying I've been called a dad. Madam, yesterday, when we helped those 2 kids, if you guys don't know, watch episode 9 towards the end. When we bought those stuff for the little boys, didn't it feel good?
I felt so.
Tell me why it felt good.
Just because they really needed that. And they were very grateful.
She trades options. And what feels better? When you hit sell and make money or helping other people? Go ahead and think about that and answer that for me.
A mixture of both.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You see that? So equating one of the best things as us for traders, making money, or as a human being making money, similar to giving money. I don't give money. I buy stuff. Like, I'm behind the scenes doing other stuff. Like, where I buy stuff for people. Remember the 5 questions you'll be asked. Again, I don't care if you're not a Muslim. I don't care if you're a Christian, Jew, Hindu, Buddhist, whatever. You're all going to be judged. There's a scale. Every religion talks about a scale of good and bad. Your good deeds and your bad deeds. How would it hurt you in any way, shape, or form to not have just good deeds? If you don't believe in the afterlife, you think this is all it and that's it, cool. But what if there was a 1% chance? 1% chance. Fraction of a percent chance. 0.0000001% chance that there's a judgment day, there's an afterlife, there's God. Wouldn't it help if you had the skills of good character, good moral behavior in your favor? Wouldn't that help you even a 0.000% chance? Maybe, just maybe, you are at this part of the video. Many people tune out after 2-3 minutes. People have no attention span. And that's fine. I'm not for everybody. But for those that are here, use code VLOG, VLOG, get 30% off the books. And then type in the code WATERMELON to get $200 off the mentorship. Boom. I have an idea on how to make the thing work. I saw candles here.
I was thinking maybe like a wood stick. That should work.
A wooden stick?
Yeah, wooden stick.
I tried that already.
No?
I put the matches in there. Oh, by the way, check this out. I bought Jenga for the mentorship students for August. I was looking for Uno, but I couldn't find Uno. I got Connects 4. and some of the groceries we got up here. Quinoa. She wants to make chia seed pudding, protein pasta, and then we're gonna get I sent her the cookie recipe I like. So cookies next week. I've gone a long ways without cookies, man. I love chocolate chip cookies. Like since we've been here, she's had gelato, she's had churros, she's had a whole bunch of good sweets. Me? None. I had it in June, but July, I have not had any sweets. Madam, thank you. Great dinner, as always. I appreciate it.
Oh, do you want to try with coconut water?
Yeah, just a sip, please. Just a sip. It's warm.
No,
I need a cold. I can't tell the difference. All right, so let's rock. Oh, you guys probably saw this. This is not alcohol. I know some of you think I opened that, please. That looks like alcohol. So let me just address this right now because I know they saw this in the fridge. This is not alcohol. It's just Let me show the camera because I know how you people on the internet.
It's tequila.
It's sparkling. What do you call this?
Like apple cider.
Apple cider. There it is. No alcohol. Here, I'll look in the back. This is to celebrate after. There you go. No alcohol. This is to celebrate at the end of the month. Green month. I had a green day today. I mean, a red day today for the first time.
Oh.
For the first time today. So, yeah. Do I have ketchup on my hands? I can't even. Come on, let's wash on my hands. I got things on my hands. I think I got truffle sauce on my hands. Come. Hang out with me. So, like I was telling her, it could have been worse. It could have been worse. But praise God, it wasn't. I can't touch this camera with my wet hands. So I'll do this. By the way, you guys probably saw the coconut delivery earlier. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's walk the resort. By the way, the beard is gone because number one, there's the thing. Sneak up on him.
It's the one that half rat or something like that. Look at the way it walks. We're gonna try to get close to it. Close to it. Let me show you. I've never seen anything like this. And I don't know what it's called. So don't ask me in the comment section.
Oh, it ran away. It ran away. All right. It ran away, folks. But if you saw it, you saw it. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't have the blades. My assistant forgot to pack the blades. Not her fault. It's not her fault. I should have told her to pack the blades. She only packed all my trimmers. I have 3 of them. So, yeah. I don't know if Madam wants to walk the campus. I keep saying campus. The resort. But I'm not going to film it because I can't have you people geolocate or try to figure out where I am. That's not safe. Some of these people in social media just openly tell people where they are. I find that very strange. People openly tell people their wealth, openly show people everything. I'm like, what? Do you not know there's evil people on this platform? Do you not know what kind of horrific humans exist? Horrible things they could do? But people openly show people their crypto portfolios, their stock portfolios, their real estate portfolios, their watch collection, their everything. Very weird. A lot of it is to gain attention. So God bless. So I told him how everything you feed me, I'm never full.
Yeah.
Today's the first day I feel full.
You feel full?
You know, quinoa. The quinoa, the pasta, all that protein.
Yeah.
So for the first time, I feel full.
But it wasn't too much, right?
No. It was perfect. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, never fill up your stomach to the T. Never. Ever. And you know what's funny? One time, a doctor went up to him and said, hey, none of your people, the Muslims, by the way, a Muslim is just someone who submits their will to God. The Muslims, got a bit bad. they're not showing up. I'm losing money. What the freak? He goes, I told them to walk. I told them to not fill up their stomach with food. All that. And a whole bunch of other stuff. And yeah, it works, man. It works. What a difference I look without the beard. I don't like it, but I had no choice, folks. I had no choice. It was getting too itchy and too big. So yeah. All right, listen. I don't think there's anything left to film. So, because there's no trade breakdown, I already broke it down for you because I took a late trade. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow, episode 11, July 11th or August 11th when you're watching this. Tomorrow will be a fun-filled day. Wake up, trading, get ready. I'm going to swim tomorrow. Go live. No, but I got to go pray. I'll show you the mosque in Mexico. I think this is the only mosque in Mexico. I'll show you it. I'll pray. I'll show you the whole experience. The madam will come as well. She came to the one in Thailand. If you go watch the episode in Thailand, you'll see that one. So on that note, I'm going to call it quits. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Trade safe. Trade well. May peace be upon you all. Bye.